Hey everybody, how y'all doing? This is King Production. I just ordered a portable dryer. I just received it today. It's in a box. Y'all check it out. I'm gonna use this mini tool to open the box up. Okay, I open the box up with the tools. It's a mini portable dryer. I ordered it from eBay. This all the accessory. It comes with a little hanger, so you could put the clothes on the little hanger. This all the setup tools for it. The little hanger, so you could hang your clothes inside a mini portable dryer. This way you put your clothes to dry inside a mini portable dryer. Okay, so just a little bag that came with it in the box. Whoa, that thing pop out of nowhere. It's a little hamper. Okay, this is the mini portable dryer that I bought it from eBay. It's pretty good. It dry your wet clothes, so you could dry it when you're washing your clothes. It comes with a little hamper. This is the little dryer blower. And this is the accessory to hang the clothes up. You see? To put the clothes up inside the hamper. So little by little we're going to install it. So check it out, ladies and gentlemen. Okay everybody, this is a portable dryer I ordered from eBay. It's to dry your clothes when you finish washing your clothes, and when the clothes get wet, you'll be able to dry inside a hamper. I bought it from eBay. It comes with a vacuum blower. It's the vacuum blower that you connect on the bag, actually in the hamper. This is the hanger where you put the clothes in. And this is the accessory to install it on the hamper. This one came inside this box. And this portable carrier bag that you could take the hamper with you everywhere you go when you travel. And this is the hamper. You see? Air dryer. Air dry. So we're gonna put everything together. So you open the hamper up and you put the vacuum inside this hole to the hamper. You connect it inside here, and then you plug it. So you connect the vacuum inside the hamper. It goes inside a hamper hole, which right here. So you connect the vacuum to the hamper. You see the vacuum? This is the vacuum. And this is the hanger bar that you actually put inside the hamper. See? Put it inside the hamper. Okay guys, this is the LO Dry portable dryer. You could also hang baby clothes to dry. You put it inside the hamper. Just to dry it. You put the baby clothes inside it. So anytime I wash my daughter's clothes to get wet, I could dry it. And you could also put a shirt inside it to dry it. And this, some of the accessory you can also use to hang some clothes, also to put inside the portable hamper. This is the vacuum, and you turn it. And you zip up the hamper. See? Zip it up. There you go. And the clothes is going to be dry. So I bought it on eBay. It's pretty good. So when you have wet clothes, you could use it to dry your wet clothes. It comes with a instruction manual on the box. And this is the LO Dry Portable Clothes Dryer. You could buy it on eBay. You can purchase it online. It's pretty good. It's to dry your clothes, a portable clothes dryer. So King Production out. I love y'all. God bless everybody.